weirdest circuit ever. Let's take a look. This is a pretty weird circuit. Let's see if I go near. If I go near this, my hand is near. I change the blinking. I go away. It's faster, right? And if I were to use this Evermenko plug, right, and if I touch the high voltage on a one wire, I change the blinking, right. This capacitor over here, 22 microfarad, which is the blue one behind the lead over that side, is causing the blinking. This is the circuit. Hopefully you can see it. Basically it's a weird combination. This is a 3906 PMP, and then PN, this is a trigger coil. I don't know how many kilovolts is this, but basically this is my clock lead. You can see my red clock lead is coming off of the top of the trigger coil and into a transformer, right? There's a the white one would be 3 volts, the white and the black is 3 volts, the yellow and the blue is 9 volts, and the brown and the thicker blue it's 220 volts, 230 volts. The black crock lead, which is connected to the base, which is here, alright, it's left for nothing, it's left hanging there. Alright, so basically the potential meters are put into 0 ohms, and over here this trimmer is also put into 3 ohms, running off 3 volts. The 3 volts is taken off this power supply here. Ignore the rest of the circuit. You see, if I were to touch this or even go near, right, I change the blinking rate if I disappear. And also I am actually discharging, the capacitor is actually discharging through my body as ground. If I were to touch it, that's amazing. Alright, yep. If I let go, right, it blinks. It's a bit weird right now at this point in time. I don't know what to think of it. My Evermenko plug, I basically can, once I touch this, let me touch properly. Right, I'm actually blinking together with the oh, it's not blinking anymore. It's a bit weird. When I touch this, right, basically a Evermenko plug is to show that there's high voltage down here. Right, there's high voltage there, and it's actually blinking through my fingers. I don't know whether you can see this or not. Hold on. Yep. It's back into blinking mode. I can adjust, it's a bit weird there, maybe some straight capacitances, but if you can see that if I were to change by adjusting this, right, don't know where can I see that. If my hand just going near, right, and yeah, okay, and if I were to just, you can see even my hand being near the knob of the rheostat, you can see the blinking has slowed down. If I take my hand away, it's faster, not because I've turned it, I just come nearby, right, and just nearby itself. This is very weird, but basically there's some kind of high currents going on down here. I can go to even the 220 volts there. Hold on. Yep, I can see the blinking is happening over that side. I don't feel any tickling sensation. Transformer, nothing. Yeah. Right. You can see this Evermenko plug. Basically, I'm touching just any corner of it. This is a bridge rectifier. I just connected to 2 of the leads over that side using the Evermenko plug configuration. So that let me test high voltage. Too bad I'm not going to go more than 3 volts because I don't know what this trigger coil is going to do. But it's amazing. Basically, I'm allowing the capacitor, my body is behaving as a capacitor and it's discharging through me. It's very interesting. if I go near the base again, if I were to go anywhere near the base, I'm actually affecting the blinking rate, right? And of course you can see, it's weird. Now I can't hold this camera up here, but basically if I were to hold this and the red lead, maybe I use the other finger to hold the red lead. Yeah, I hope I don't get a nasty shot. Yeah. You see there? Yep, electricity is traveling through my body, right? It's a weird combination. I get stuck here again. I don't understand why. Oh, now the blinking is very slow. Maybe it needs some form of a discharge. Let me just do this. Yeah, I think I'm right. It needs some form of discharge. Okay, maybe I just change this a little bit. There's something weird going on with this circuit. Right, let me just or maybe basically this may have shifted a little bit. Yeah. Yep. Okay, so you can see it's back. Yeah, maybe because the trigger coil has shifted a little bit. Again, when I go nearby, this is very interesting. I can't hold the camera and focus at the same time. Man. Right, all the other components are thrown away as far as possible. I even go as much as to, okay, I won't go into the other experiment at this point in time, but suffice to say that this circuit is pretty weird. Alright, it's pretty weird over here. Alright, I'm getting this again. Let me just touch the high voltage. I'm getting that again. I'm just touching one wire again. I'm just touching the wire with one of these, and I'm providing the other contact. So for example, I hold like that, it should work. Maybe just let you see nearby just one wire, right? Yep. Okay, you can see that. Well, for now, this is the circuit. Well, I'm thinking that there's something going on with this trigger coil, and it's like capturing a lot of displacement currents into the base here. There's a 470 microhenry, sorry, not microfarad, microhenry choke over here, and basically this controls my base current into my NPN. Well, I'll try to figure out how this works, or somebody can help me to figure out how this thing works, and yeah, update you next time.